Good morning to all of you. In the last video, we have seen some material sources from history, and in this video, we are going to learn the written sources of history. In the written sources, we will learn about significant historical events which in the medieval period from sources like the writing styles of scripts like Devanagari. Devanagari is called Nagari and it writes from left to right. It is based on the ancient Brahmi script used in the Indian subcontinent. It was developed in the ancient India from the 1st to the 4th century. Arabic language. The language of Allah and Muhammad is spoken by over 200 million people in 28 countries from Africa to the Middle East. Persian language. It is originated in the region of Faras, Persia in southwestern Iran. Modi language. The Modi alphabet was invented during the 17th century to write the Marathi language of Maharashtra. It is a variant of the Devanagari alphabet. The Modi was used until 1950, etc. As also from the varieties of different languages, Bhurjapatras, it is Ayurveda herb used for the treatment of wound, but in the ancient times its bark was used as paper. Religious manuscripts. Religious texts are related to a religious tradition. They differ from literary. Example, Quran, Gita, etc. Treatise is a formal and systematic written discourse on some subjects, generally is longer as a essay. Edicts. Edicts generally inscribed on columns, the pillars of Ashoka, which are significantly detailed about it. Decrees. Decrees is a rule of law usually issued by a head of state. Biographies. A biography or simply bio is a detailed description of person's life. Paintings, etc. We can gather information about the food items, attire, conventions, and rules of conduct of the people, festivals, and about people's life, etc. From these sources, sources of this type are called written sources of history. See, during this period, travelers from other countries came to India. They have written travelogues or accounts of their travels. Some of them are Al-Biruni, Ibn Battuta, Niccolo Munacci. Al-Biruni. Al-Biruni was an Iranian scholar during the Islamic Golden Age. Ibn Battuta. Ibn Battuta was a Muslim scholar and explorer who widely traveled the medieval world. Niccolo Munacci was an Italian writer, doctor, and traveler. He wrote a memoirs about the Indian subcontinent during the Mughal era. Babur's biography Sri Shiv Bharat or the Sanskrit biography of Shivaji Maharaj composed by the poet Paramanand as well as various other biographies of different rulers and their correspondence help us to understand the policies and administrative system of the rulers and their diplomatic relations with others. See, Tawarikh or Tariq means the sequence of events. Tawarikh written by Al-Biruni, Jiauddin Barani, Maulana Ahmad, Yahya bin Ahmad, Mirza Haider, Bhimsen, Saxena, etc. are available. Bakhar. Bakhar is a type of chronicle that originated in Maharashtra. Bakhar is a form of historical narrative written in Marathi prose. Bakhars are one of the earliest genres of medieval Marathi literature. The main work of Bakhar was महिकावत महिकावतीची बखर, सभासद बखर, चिटणीसाची बखर, भाऊसाहेबांची बखर, etc. The works of contemporary Western historians like Robert Arm, M.C. Sprengel, and Grant Duff are also important.
C. Oral sources. We understand various aspects of folk life through folk literature traditionally passed on from generation to generation. Some examples are ovis, folk song, povadas, folk tales, legends, and myths. Such type of sources are called oral sources of history. See from this example.
हातच्या दळणाला मला तांबड फुटियल, सावळा भरतार गवळी धारला उठियल. तळण मी गदळी पीठ पडत रवा रवा, माझ्या ग सावजीला तबकी धाडा मेवा.
हिरवा घराला उभा जोंधळा, हिरवा घराला ग उभा जोंधळा. कुणी राखीला माझ्या आंबाचा मळा, कुणी राखीला माझ्या आंबाचा मळा. हिरवा घराला उभा जोंधळा, हिरवा घराला ग उभा जोंधळा. कुणी राखीला माझ्या मळा, कुणी राखीला माझ्या आंबाचा मळा. उगवून आधी समारा, उगवून आधी समात्या मारा, तिरी ववी गाती गोडाचा त्यावारा. सांडूनी भरला कुणी मोती पवळा, सांडूनी भरला कुणी मोती पवळा. कुणी राखीला माझ्या आंबाचा मळा, कुणी राखीला माझ्या आंबाचा मळा.
आज आपण आधुनिक युगात वावरतो. टीव्ही चालू केला की जगात कुठे काय चाललंय ते आपल्याला प्रत्यक्ष पाहायला मिळतं. पण पूर्वीचा काळ आठवा, शिवाजी महाराजांचा काळ. त्या काळात एक एक मोहिमा फत्ते करत महाराज पुढच्या मोहिमेवर निघायचे. आजच्या राज्यकर्त्यांप्रमाणे आपण काय पराक्रम केला याचा बाईट देण्या एवढा सुद्धा वेळ त्यांच्याकडे नसायचा. मग त्यांचे हे पराक्रम लोकांपर्यंत पोचायचे तरी कसे? अर्थात हे काम आपल्या शिरावर घेतलं ते आपल्या शाहिरांनी. पवाड म्हणजेच स्तुती, त्याचाच पुढे पोवाडा झाला. वीररसाने भरलेला पोवाडा रचून लोकांपुढे सादर करून जनतेला महाराजांच्या पराक्रमाच्या कथा सांगायचं काम शाहिरांनी केलं. सगळ्यात पहिला पोवाडा शाहीर अगिनदासांनी जिजाबाईंसमोर सादर करून त्यांची शाबासकी मिळवली असं म्हणतात. अफजल खानाचा वध, कोंडाण्यावर तानाजीनं दिलेली निकराची झुंज, पावनखिंडीवर प्राणाची बाजी लावणारे बाजी प्रभू, अशा कितीतरी घटना शाहिरांना आपली लेखणी सरसावण्यासाठी प्रेरित करत होत्या. टफावर थाप देऊन आपल्या खणखणीत आवाजाने लोकांच्या काळजाला हात घालण्याची कला शाहिरांना अवगत असावी लागते. अंगावर स्फुरण चढवणाऱ्या या पोवाड्यातून आपणही ऊर्जा मिळवूया.
हे प्रतापगडच्या पायथ्याशी खान नाही त्याला जाण आणि शिवाजी राजाच्या करामतीची शिवाजी राजाच्या करामतीची आणि त्यास नाही जाणीव शक्तीची जाणीव शक्तीची त्यास नाही जाणीव शक्तीची. अरे करील काय कल्पना युक्तीची हजीजी, करील काय कल्पना युक्तीची हजीजी, कल्पना युक्तीची हजीजी. हे महाराजांना निरोप घेतला महाराजांना निरोप घेतला न दंडवत घातला भवानीला आणि तसेच आईची जाऊला.
See, history is written with the help of the three types of sources which mentioned here: material sources, written sources, and oral sources. But it is necessary to take certain precautions before using these sources of history. We have to examine their authenticity and see which are genuine and which are fake. Here we have completed our first lesson. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Thank you.